Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sydney. Today I have an awesome Dollar Tree haul for you. They just opened a brand new Dollar Tree right down the street and I am kind of obsessed. It is like fully stocked Dollar Tree. It's brand new. It's amazing. I am a huge Dollar Tree fan, but I found some really good stuff today and I'm just gonna go straight into the haul to show you what I got. So the first thing I picked up was a bowl. I need to kind of restock on my dishes, but Dollar Tree actually has really good dishes. I've been buying their dishes for a long time. One time they actually had Rachel Ray dishes, like brand name, but I've never had issues with them. So I just picked up just a plain white bowl. I'm probably gonna go back and get more. I just wanna see kind of how it like holds up in the microwave and the dishwasher before I go and buy like a whole bunch of them. I am trying to get back onto the keto diet. I did the keto diet last year. It's kind of just like a cut kind of thing. I don't really view the keto diet as something that can be done long term. I know a lot of people do it long term, but I just like to do it to kind of like detox. So I picked up a few things that are kind of like keto friendly snacks. So I'm gonna show you some of those. The first thing that I picked up, they had these little V8 smoothies, if I can get this to focus. This is the Caribbean Greens one. It's made with coconut water. It is lower sugar. It is gluten-free. In the whole bottle, there are 23 carbs. So you don't want to drink the whole bottle if you're doing a keto diet, but if you just need like a sip of something, like just like as a pick-me-up or like, you know, like a shot glass full of something, I feel like this is a great option. The ingredients say filtered water, concentrated vegetable juice with carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. It also has white grape and apple juice and coconut water. So, you know, it shows everything that's in it on the back. Just as kind of like a little pick-me-up in the afternoon. Let's see if I can get this done. There we go. So just as kind of like a pick-me-up in the afternoon. Obviously don't drink the whole bottle, but if you budget your carbs correctly, you could absolutely drink some of this, because this is what you want your carbs to come from, is like vegetables. So it's very difficult for me to eat vegetables. A lot of them don't agree with my stomach. So a lot of times I do have to drink them in like smoothies and things like that. So I did pick this up. Obviously I'm not gonna drink the whole thing at once, but just to kind of have in the fridge to kind of sip on. Something else that I picked up were the sunflower seeds. They are ranch flavored and there are 9 carbs in the entire package. So obviously I can't eat the whole package at once, but just to kind of like snack on if you just need something like to just, you know, at night when you just want something like crunchy or salty, you can eat these. I also picked up these sunflower seeds. These are sizzling bacon flavored and there are 12 carbs, about 12 carbs in the entire bag. So just to have like as a little snack, just to be snacking on something when you're bored and want to eat. So I thought that was a really good option. Last thing, I picked up these salt and vinegar pork rinds. These are really good, like you can use them as like nachos or just to snack on plain. I've never tried the salt and vinegar ones, but there are, it says less than 1 carb in a serving. There are 5 servings and a serving is 10 pieces. So great low carb option for snacking. Pork rinds are amazing. Just be careful if you get anything like barbecue flavor, just look and see like how much sugar and carbs are. If you stick to ones like these and the plain ones, they should be fine. Today was a really good day at Dollar Tree for candles and I got a few candles and I'm going to show them to you. I wish Smell-O-Vision existed because they smell so good, but these are also great gift ideas that you can kind of like put in like Easter baskets or baby shower gifts or wedding shower gifts. The packaging on them is amazing, so I want to show you guys. The first one I picked up is this one. It's called River Rock. And I just love the packaging on this. It looks so chic, like just to have out on your island in your kitchen or your bathroom or your coffee table. It smells so, so good. It smells really clean, which is what I like. So just an amazing soy blend candle. It's called River Rock. The next one that I got that has kind of similar packaging is called Fog Cloud. And this also has a really clean smell to it. Just really, really nice, like clean, crisp, light smell. I don't like anything that is like too intense, like it'll start messing with like my sinuses. So I really like these light smelling candles. The next one is called Peace. And I love the packaging on this. It is in this really cute jar with a screw-on lid. You take the lid off. Like, look at the packaging on that from Dollar Tree. Like, that is so cute. And you could get some ribbon and wrap around just the edge of it. These will be really cute as like wedding favors or party favors just to hand out to your guests. And they're so, so cheap. And this one smells like fall, which I love. Obviously we're in April and fall is pretty far away. So this is a great like earthy smell. Kind of like, not like pumpkin, but like maple almost. The last candle that I bought that I love is called Karma. I love the packaging on this as well. It's white and very, very simple. But it would go with really any decor. And this is frankincense and vanilla. So, so good. I love this. I love, all my candles kind of have a similar smell, but they're all different. But I love, love, love this. Just to kind of give it like that cozy smell to my apartment, like at night. Like I love to just light a candle and like have tea and just kind of like wind down from the day. It's a great, great smell to do that. I also picked up some razors. I always buy razors at the Dollar Tree. I always get the men's ones because they always have more razors in the men's packs than the women's packs, which I don't really understand. But life hack, buy the men's razors because they're always cheaper. You always get more. And that goes for anywhere, not just Dollar Tree, especially like Target and Walmart. The men's razors are always cheaper and they work better. So I picked up a pack of razors. I also pick up these sleep aids just because I have such a difficult time falling asleep. Obviously be careful taking stuff like this, but they're okay for me. So this is what I personally take to fall asleep, and I only take one of them. They're really tiny little sleep aids, so I only take one of them. The next thing I bought were these really cute little leopard print note cards. Anytime I have like a large purchase from my Poshmark closet, I like to do like a handwritten note. Just, you know, if somebody spends a significant amount in my closet, I will do a handwritten note in addition to my like pre-printed cards. So I just bought some of these to have on hand because they are so, so cute to just kind of write on and throw in with my orders. Today was also a really good day for books at Dollar Tree. Amazing, amazing books today. So I'm gonna close out my haul with the books that I bought, and I'm super excited about all of them. The first one is called The Good Daughter, and you can see the sticker on it. So this is from Target, or was originally from Target. It says, Dahlia Waller's childhood memories consist of stuffy cars, seedy motels, and a rootless existence traveling the country with her eccentric mother. Now grown, she desperately wants to distance herself from that life. Yet one thing is stopping her from moving forward. She has questions. In order to understand her past, Dahlia must go back to her mother in the stifling town of Aurora, Texas. Back to a woman on the brink of madness. But after she discovers 3 grave-like mounds on a neighboring farm, she'll learn that in her mother's world of secrets, not all questions are meant to be answers. So a good little suspense book here. I love suspense mystery books from Dollar Tree for $1. It was originally $16, then 20% off at Target, so probably around like 13 bucks. but it was at Dollar Tree for $1 and it sounded really good, so I picked it up. I really love like self-help books, and I found 2 today that I'm really anxious to read. The first one is called Win at Losing. It says how our biggest setbacks can lead to our greatest gains by Sam Weinman. I'll just read a little bit of the description. It says, as an award-winning sports journalist, Sam Weinman has long studied the ripple effects of losing, but as a father of 2 competitive boys, he struggled to convince them that failing can actually be a critical part of success. So he sought out perspectives of men and women who have turned significant setbacks into meaningful comebacks and even new careers, to illustrate how we can not only overcome defeat, but grow stronger from the experience. So I'm really excited to read this. It sounded really good, and I love, love, love books like this. The next one is by one of my favorite people. It's by Michael Strahan, and I love him. On the morning shows, he's always so happy. Like, his happiness is like contagious, and that's why he called his book Wake Up Happy. Like, he just looks like a happy person. It says the Dream Big, Win Big Guide to Transforming Your Life. It says, from America's favorite football player turned morning talk show host, a man who makes just about everything look easy, a melange of stories and motivational advice to inspire the reader to turn up the heat and go from good to great in pursuit of their personal ambitions. You can see the price tag here was $18.89 originally on the book. Looks like it's from Walmart. It was $1 at Dollar Tree. So I was super excited to find this. I remember him talking about his book, and I never went and bought it, so I was really excited to find it. The last book I bought mainly because it was pretty, but this is called In Style Parties, and this is just a great little like coffee table book that I thought was so cute. But it's like a cookbook. It just has a bunch of like recipes and all kinds of stuff in it, mostly drink recipes. It's got some food too. I'll show you a little bit of the inside of it. But I love these books just to kind of have out for people to look at, like people come over to visit. It also goes into like furniture and lighting, like basic party planning book. This is just something that you can kind of like glance at every now and then. But it was a really cute little book, and it's pretty significant size. So for $1, I picked it up just to kind of have as mainly a decoration. So that is my haul for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more of my haul videos. I also do Poshmark videos about selling, making money. But I'm so happy to have you here, and I will see you guys in the next video.